Hi, so here is how I'm going to make this project. First, I'm going to use this Graphic 45 tag album. So this has 6 pieces of this here. Alright, this is just thin cardstock, and I am going to score 3 of them like this. In this size. So when I have 3 of this, I'm going to score another one with this size. Alright, and then I am going to glue it like this. So when I say glue, first thing first, you have to glue these 3 pieces, the inner page, together. So one by one, I am going to glue this on the back of this, and the back of this to the back of here. Alright, so I am going to add glue on here, 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 so that it will serve as a bit of pocket here. Of course, you can glue the whole surface. So right, like this, and then the other page like this. So it will be like this. Alright. Furnish it really well, and then we will glue this to here. Since this is slightly bigger than here, so I recommend you not to put glue here, instead put it here. Right. So remember, these 2 areas have the difference. I am putting the smaller one on the front, so it is up to you, but you would maybe want to be aware of that. Okay. So here it is. Alright, now you will need to do some more burnishing, and then use a clip on here, and then you can add the design paper. I will come back for you. So this is how it looks after getting the design paper on the top and the spine here, and then the pocket here we create gluing two pages together. Actually it is just fit for a Graphic 45 mini tag here, so it will be two of them. Bear in mind that it is just glue here, so you don't want to push something too heavy on it. It's just for decoration, okay? Don't overdo it. And then we will be using the bits and bytes and to decorate. So this is the decoration version, and I am mainly using this little one and familiar assortment set, and then just cut a little bit from the 8-inch paper pack. So this mini book actually is, as you see, the structure is not exactly the strongest, so I am not exactly recommend to put a lot of pockets or flips here. I think it will be just great to serve as a mini book for some photos and some message. So the two tags here from this set is also insert into the pocket here, and then this is before you put in some photos, okay? So it will be a lot more bulky, so bear in mind when you decorate it. I am just focusing on putting some elements here so it will be able to see from the front. And since we have this circles here, so I think it would be great to put in some thread or decoration yarn here to make it look more interesting. So this is the album mini book I create with the tag product. I think it's easy and gorgeous. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for supporting Graphic 45 and myself. Bye bye.